Hello everyone. So today I'm going to do a little art project with you. So what it is, it's like a scratch pad. And we kind of did this in our classroom today as well. We found it was fun and easy for you to do at home. So what I made here is just, I cut a piece of paper in half and we kind of just scribbled a bunch of colors in it. And preferably using crayon, since it's kind of waterproof. And then next I have a bowl. We're going to mix paint and cornstarch in here. You can use any kind of paint. Right now I just have kind of activity paints. This is what we have, and it's black. And then a paintbrush. You're going to use a paintbrush to mix it and obviously paint on the paper. Okay, so what I would use, I have a half a cup of cornstarch in here. So I'm just going to pour it in here. And then what I'm going to do next is probably, I would put a really low amount of paint in it, so maybe like a third of it, and just pour it in here. And it kind of looks like that. Okay, and then I'm going to use the paintbrush and I'm going to mix it. And then so what's going to happen is the texture is going to get really weird and it's going to get thick, which is good because you want it to be thick. And then once it's like that, I'm going to paint it on your paper. And then it might take a little bit to dry, which is okay. So now that I mix it together, it's going to look like this. So like I said, it's really thick. And it's okay if you still have some cornstarch just not mixed in there, because as soon as you start painting it, it's going to blend in. So I'm going to paint over the paper like this, and it dries really quickly just because it is thick. Okay, and you don't have to use, like, maybe you can use if you don't have a paintbrush, you can use a sponge or anything similar to it. And some of the children use their fingers and they just spread around the paint on the paper. So anyways, it's going to look like this, except that you're going to paint the entire paper. And then once it's done, it's going to turn out like a gray color. And you can use like a pencil or anything to color on it. And then once you color over the black paint, it's going to make different shapes, and you can see the rainbow underneath it. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.